Hello everyone. In this video today, I want to share with you how you can make money from Christmas chicken this Christmas. You need money to do a lot of things in your life, for your family, for yourself, and for your loved ones. So that is why I'm making this video. So to teach you ways by which you can make some money this Christmas. Number one way you can make money this Christmas is to buy and sell Christmas chicken. So you go to the outskirts of the city of the town where you live, you buy Christmas chicken, you come to town and you add your own price to it and you sell. Now, in selling your Christmas chicken, you position it in a major busy road junction where you can get a space and then you rent or you borrow cage, hen cage, and then you arrange the birds inside and give them some food and water. People will be passing and they will come and buy from you. So you make money from there. The second way is for you to work as a dresser. So you dress the chicken. When people buy chicken, most times they look for somebody that can help them to dress it. Dressing means you are going to dress the chicken, remove the feathers and other things, and then just hand it, or even sometimes cut it for them, or after removing the feather, removing the intestine, hand it over to them. They can go and cut it by themselves at home. So you can charge for dressing one fowl. There's an amount that is charged. So you can charge that and you can also make money. So you position yourself near where they are selling the Christmas chicken. And then anytime they buy, you ask them, do you want to dress the chicken? I can dress it for you. And then they are going to allow you to dress it for them. And then you get paid. The third way you can make money from Christmas chicken this Christmas is for you to sell groundnut oil and even palm oil. In most busy street corners where they display chicken for sale, many people, the people that sell groundnut oil and so on and so forth, they don't come around that place because the sales of the chicken is improvised. That is not the normal place the chicken sellers stay. So based on this, nobody is selling groundnut oil in that vicinity. So all you need to do is to get a table and a chair and then arrange your groundnut oil and your palm oil close to the people selling the Christmas chicken. When people buy their chicken, they remember that they need to fry the chicken and they need to make soup with it or stew. So based on that, they will buy groundnut oil from you and they will buy palm oil also from you. So you make money from that. You go to people who sell in bulk, you buy from them and then you get it at a discount and then you sell and make your own profit. The third way you can make money from this Christmas chicken is also to sell tomatoes, pepper, and onions. Just like the groundnut oil, you position yourself at a particular place near those who are selling the Christmas chicken at busy street corners where those who are selling pepper and onions are not available. So you position yourself nearby. You go to the outskirts or to the big market where they sell in bulk and they sell in wholesale prices. You buy from there and then you come and then you add your own price to it. People that buy Christmas chicken normally they want to cook soup to take rice. So they will buy tomatoes from you, they will buy onions from you, and they'll buy pepper from you also. Another way you can make money is for you to sell rice. Many people that buy or do Christmas, they will use rice to take it. They use rice to make a stew, they make rice and they enjoy it with the Christmas chicken. So what you do in this case is that you are going to go to you buy bags, maybe one bag, two bags, three bags, four bags, depending on your capacity. Then you position yourself close to those who are selling the chicken. Remember, those who are selling the chicken, they improvise selling of the chicken by a busy roadside. So you to improvise the selling of rice by the busy roadside near those who are selling the chicken. So by so doing, you are going to get some people coming to buy from you, and then you are going to make good sales from that. In fact, all these businesses I'm talking about, if you don't have shop before, you can follow through and then you can make money from it. If you have shop previously, you can also follow through. Instead of staying in your shop and expecting them to come, You can come close by and then you are going to make more sales. You can come close by with a trusted person from your shop, and then you can also maintain your shop where it is, so you sell from both ends. So these are just a few ways by which you can make money from Christmas chicken during this Christmas. Dr. Olubengade is my name, and on this channel I teach you how to make money online, and I also teach you how to make money offline. I've done series of videos that teach you how to make money both online and offline. Check this channel, that this Dr. Olubengade YouTube channel, and I am certain you'll be glad you did. So try all these methods I've listed out and let me know how it goes. I'm sure you are going to be smiling to the bank this Christmas. Now, in the comment section below, I want you to tell me other ways you think that people can make money from Christmas chicken or from any other way during this Christmas. Until I come your way in the next video, this video popping up by the side is the next that you need to watch now. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.